Hello everyone, we are Team Runtime Terror. We are from Jayawantrao Sawant College of Engineering, Pune, and my name is Abhijit Mohanta and I am the team leader.
My name is Nikita Dinesh Khandelwal.
My name is Yash Shah.
My name is Saurabh Pavli.
Aim of this project is to help visually impaired people live comfortable and independent life. We have surveyed existing apps and devices for the same purpose, but found problems like there were too many buttons for accessing each feature in the existing apps. This made it difficult to handle, so we removed all the buttons from our app Ocula and made it fully voice automated. This is why it became more easy for the users to use and handle it. Our team also interacted with the visually impaired people in order to find out their most common and important problems. Therefore, we understood those problems and added them as a feature in our app.
Imagine a situation that caught your passion. You want to learn it more. You want to explore it more. You want to be the best of your kind in that particular field. Now, for example, someone who loves to read the novel or write the novel has to daily read some books. But if he doesn't have his eyesight well, then that might be a curse for him. Imagine his life without his eyes. How would he pursue his passion? How would he achieve his dream? In such case, here comes the technology like a knight in shining armor. In such situation, this technology will not only help him to save his time, but would also enhance his knowledge gaining process. In other cases, how would a person get rid of his insecurity that is completely unaware of his surrounding? It is not only scary, but also very sad at the same time. When he goes to travel around, there will be a personal assistant that will tell him who is around him or who is trying to approach him. When he goes for shopping, there will be a personal assistant to tell him what is the color of his shirt or his pant. Therefore, we came up with the solution of creating an app that will make his life so much easier.
People suffering from the problem of visual impairment, therefore, became an inspiration to us. This inspiration led us to come up with the idea of see through the ears. That is, what you see is what you hear. So, to reach out as many people as possible, we thought of making a smartphone app.
In our app, there are following main functionalities: voice automation, scene description, text detection, object detection.
Now let us see the working of app. Our app is fully voice automated. Therefore, users need to say OK Google, open Ocular to access the app. Keeping people with visual impedance in mind, we haven't added any buttons to the app. Just to access inner features, users can tap anywhere on the screen to give voice commands like capture. That is, it invokes the camera and captures the scene in front of the person. After capturing, person may give describe voice command. After completing with the describe voice command, the captured image is converted to the bitmap and then to the byte array. This byte array is given as an input in the form of streams to the trained models on the cloud by using REST API. In response, JSON output is received and converted to voice output on the smartphone.
A view of a city street.
Similarly, for reading, a person can capture image by giving the capture voice command. After capturing the image successfully, a person may tap on screen and give read instructions, which in return reads the text to the user.
Object-oriented programming using C++ student book and lab manual.
When the user taps on the screen and speaks detect object, it will automatically detect object in real time. Detect object.
In front of you. Laptop present in front of you.
As you can see, when the phone is brought in front of the laptop, it will start to detect that object and speaks back the recognized object to the user. In this way, the user can detect various objects in front of them.
Bottle present in front of you. Bottle present in front of you. Cell phone 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 present in front of you. Book present in front of you. Book present you. Book present in front of you. Book present in front of you. Book present you. Book present in front of you. Chair 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 present in front.
All the user-generated data is collected into the Google Cloud bucket. Initially, after accessing the app through the voice commands, whenever the user gives the command capture, the image captured through the phone is uploaded into the Google Cloud bucket. Automatically, a user folder is created where all the images captured by the user is stored. All the encryption of the data is done and handled by Google Cloud automatically. This user-generated data can be used further to improve machine learning model so that it becomes more precise and accurate.
Six weeks are required to build our project See Through the Years, which consists of building an app Ocular with amazing features in it. Team meeting will be conducted during the first week. All members of team will have 4 hours meeting which will consist of a project overview, brainstorming period and protocols overview. A secondary meeting between engineering heads will be held to determine project leads, discuss end users concern and review brainstorms. For the next week, discovery and wireframing will take place. In this, the project leads will meet the end user to determine creative roadmap for them. This information will shape the content the team designs for the end users, including the scope. Developing the app and designing of it will create a storyboard and outline. Design will provide concepts. After completion of this, next 3 weeks will be dedicated for the work of technical design. Team will find numerous approaches, technologies, and programming languages that can be used to build the app, reviewing each technology stack and determining which is best for development of app. Front-end development in native platform to increase the performance, web API and server for back-end development. After completing technical design, further 1 more week is dedicated for releasing the stable version of our app, Ocular. During this period of time, the team will test the app in real world by using a focus group of testers who have never used the app before, so that if there are any bugs, it can be rectified and corrected before final release of product. At last, app Ocular will be built successfully. Therefore, only work left will be to deploy it in the Google Play Store.
One of the most common problems faced by visually impaired people is reading. While reading different books, novels, pamphlets, documents, letters, notice pinned on notice board, they usually go through a lot of troubles. Another important problem faced by them was recognizing object in their surroundings and acknowledging activity going on in our surrounding. This made us realize that the technology is the necessity of specially challenged people. That gave us the bright idea of creating an app that fulfills their common needs. We successfully established our aim and goal that was formed after the survey. After feedback, we came on the conclusion that our app is solving many problems which were not efficiently and affordably solved by existing systems. By using machine learning concepts and cloud services, we therefore try to solve problems related to reading, scene description, and recognizing objects in surroundings for visually impaired people.
Thank you for watching.